Namaskaram. So all of you please join your hands and close your eyes. Sairam children, how are you children? I hope you're good and safe at your home. Okay, tell me children, would you like to listen to a story? So here I will read a story for you. Okay? The title of this story is The Lion and the Mouse. One day, Sheru, a mighty lion, was fast asleep in the jungle. Chui, a little mouse, was chasing a butterfly. Chui was so busy chasing the butterfly that she did not realize she was sitting on Sheru's nose. Sheru woke up angrily. He caught Chui in his huge paw and roared loudly. Please, please, Mr. Sheru, don't eat me. I'm too small to fill your tummy, said Chui. Sheru roared again. Thinking fast, Chui said, if you let me go today, I will be your friend forever. I may be able to help you someday. Ha 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 ha. You're so tiny, Sheru roared. How could you ever help me? Sheru, let little Chui go. Chui ran to her home as fast as she could. After many days, Chui heard a huge roar in the jungle. Sheru was caught in a huge net. Mr. Sheru, she called out, what is wrong? I have been trapped by some hunters. I don't know what to do. The hunters will come back soon and kill me, Sheru said sadly. Don't worry, Mr. Sheru. Let me think. I will set you free. I will set you free, Chui replied. Chui started nibbling the net. She chewed and chewed. Chui made a small hole in the net. It was too small for Sheru to escape. She chewed the net again. It took her a long time and a lot of hard work. Finally, Sheru was free. Thank you, thank you. I'm so glad I did not eat you that day. You're so tiny and yet you did what I could not do. You set me free, Sheru said. Everyone is good at something, small or big. Size doesn't matter, said Chui, and they both become friends. So I hope, children, you like this story. Yes? Okay, in this story, children, you have listened it carefully. Yes, in this story, when Chui requested the lion, she said, please. She said, please. It means when we request to someone for something, we have to say, please. We have to say, please. And when Chui helped the lion, in return, the lion said to her, thank you. The lion said to her, thank you. It means when somebody helps us, we have to say in return to that person, thank you. What we have to say? Thank you. So today we have learned these two things. When we have to say thank you and when we have to say please. जब हम किसी को रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं तो हमें कहना है प्लीज और जब किसी की हेल्प लेते हैं तो हमें कहना है उसे थैंक यू. Okay? So this story video of this story is not running right now. So I will show you this video in the next class. Okay. So children, would you like to sing a poem? Yes. So get ready for that. First, I will make all the words clear to you and then I will sing it for you. So listen the words carefully and say them loudly. Okay. We, we, say, say, thank you, thank you. We, say, thank you, thank you. Please, please. ओके ये इतने 2 लाइन्स आपको मैं अभी सुनाती हूँ. We say thank you. We say thank you. We say please. We say please. Now the season is going to change and monsoon will come soon. And during monsoon, we often face the problem of cough and cold. And during cold, we keep sneezing. So when we want to sneeze, we have to say, excuse me. And we have to cover our nose and mouth with the handkerchief and we have to sneeze like this. Okay? जब हमें छींक आती है तो हमें अपने नोज को और माउथ को हैंडकरचीफ से कवर करना है और हमें फिर छींकना है. उससे पहले हमारे सामने जो बैठा है उसे हमें क्या कहना है? एक्सक्यूज मी. तो फिर से इसको भी रिपीट करेंगे. एक्सक्यूज मी एंड एक्सक्यूज मी. So today we will learn only these 3 lines. We say thank you. We say please. And excuse me when we sneeze. We say thank you. We say please. And excuse me when we sneeze. So, children, keep revising this poem and keep memorizing this poem. In the next class, we will learn further lines of this poem. Okay? Let me see whether that video is running or not. Okay, children, do you like to play with water? I know you love to play with water. So today I will show you an activity which you can do with water. Okay, before that, I want to give a message to the parent. fine motor activities. These activities we are going to do in these online classes. So we will see what are the importance of these activities. Fine motor activities are useful to develop the fine motor skills of the children. Fine motor skills is the coordination between the hands, fingers with the eyes. Today we are going to do sponge activity, one of the sponge activities. And do you know what are the benefits of these activities? When the child does this activity, it helps to develop the eye-hand coordination of the child. It also develops fine muscle control. And child learns to sit at one place and also tries to complete the activity without deviation. So children, are you ready to do this activity? So here, watch the video carefully and do this activity at your home. For this activity, you will need two bowls. One is an empty bowl and other one is filled with water. And one sponge is required. Okay? Now watch this video carefully. I hope you all will do this activity at home. So, let me check whether that video is playing or not. No, it's not playing. So, here I will conclude the class by chanting Shanti Path. So, all of you join your hands and close your eyes. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram. I hope you will enjoy this video. Sai Ram, children.